I'm going to set the factory reset. You push this button and this button at the same time and just hold both of them in until it has FP, which is factory preset. Alright, I'm going to turn this light on because I don't think you can see it very good. I'm going to, first of all, turn this sensitivity down by pushing the negative. I'm going to go to the star button, or this gear button here, and push that. And I'm going to move it over to accept and reject. When I push the accept and reject button here, this little cursor right here, see where it's right there? That's a -9. I want to make all these blank between 12, but up until 12, because 12 and 13 is my nickel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the positive right here, positive, 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 positive. Alright, where it says number 2, that's for the first block. I'm going to reject number 2, move it up 1, reject 3, reject 4, reject 5, reject 6, reject 7, reject 8, reject 9, and I'm hitting the positive, reject 10, and there's 11. Now 12 I'm going to keep, 13 I'm going to keep. Those are my nickels. Now to me, some people will leave the rest on there. I'm not going to do that. 14 I'm going to reject. 15 I'm going to reject. 16 I'm going to reject. 17, 18, and 19. 20 is usually where the pennies start. So I'm going to just accept that. I'm going to push this button over here to go into search mode. I'm going to zoom into the screen a little bit more. We're finished pushing buttons. We're in the search mode of the parks. Well, number 1. That's where we set everything a while ago. And as you can see, this right here is my nickel. This is where the pennies, dimes, quarters, and on. So let me put a penny up here and just show you what it shows. Here's a nickel. And these are fairly new coins. Here's a dime, a new dime. Here's a new quarter. Here's a Susan B. Anthony silver dollar. Here is a Liberty half dollar. And here is a 1921 silver dollar. Again, the new penny. The nickel. The dime. The new 25-cent piece. The Susan B. Anthony dollar. The Liberty half dollar. And the 1921 silver dollar. Those are the settings that I put on for coin testing, and it gets a lot of stuff out. still right in here. I'm still getting some pull tabs, but I know some pennies are in this area. I also know that there are some dimes sometimes in that area. I hate the number 22. It seems like the number 22 is always a flat Coke can, but I don't want to pass it up because sometimes I believe there's a penny in there. So that's how I set my Equinox 600 on my coins. Thank you for watching.